Hello, my name is Shayla, and I'm the student recruiter for the College of Health Sciences. And today I'm going to be going over some helpful tips and tricks for the after degree and honors nursing programs at the U of A. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge that the University of Alberta is located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. What is the after degree program? The after degree program leverages students' unique talents, critical and analytical abilities, and additional education. Upon graduating, after degree students are uniquely positioned to access the wide range of opportunities that having a nursing degree offers. This includes clinical roles in hospitals and the community, research, education, leadership, and management. The program is designed to be completed in 2 years and is offered in Edmonton on our North Campus. For the after degree admission requirements, students are required to have a bachelor's degree from a recognized academic institution. Students must also complete a Casper test. The minimum admission GPA is a 3.0. The English language students must also meet an English language proficiency and spoken English proficiency. For prerequisite courses, students must have these completed prior to admission into the program. These courses are English, statistics, and the following courses must be taken within 5 years of the program start date. This includes human anatomy, human physiology, and medical microbiology. These 3 courses require a minimum grade of a C+. And for courses taken outside of the U of A, English and statistics require a minimum grade of a C-. Now, what is the honors program? So, students in the collaborative nursing program who have an interest in pursuing more research in their undergrad can apply to honors in their second year. Students in the honors program will be paired with a faculty researcher as their mentor and will have the opportunity to conduct their own research with participation in conferences and possible research publications. This program provides the same clinical preparation as the collaborative and the after degree programs. And the admission requirements for the Honors Collaborative program include completion of all Year 1 Bachelor of Science in Nursing courses and achieving a minimum GPA of a 3.3 on 24 credits in the preceding fall/winter semesters. And the Bachelor of Science in After Degree in Honors is one of the only nursing programs to offer an honors component in Canada. The Bachelor of Science in Honors program for after degree students is designed to be taken over 2 calendar years. With approval, students have up to 3 years to complete the requirements for this program. Normally, students who do not complete the program within 3 years will be required to withdraw. And here is the honors application process for the Collab program. And students can also find more information on the application process on the nursing website as well. This is for the application process for the after degree program. And a quick note about the Casper test. This is a 90 to 110-minute online and open response situational judgment test. Students' applications will not be assessed until they have completed the Casper and the university has received their results. To complete the assessment, head to acuityinsights.com to book your assessment. Please note that students who self-declare as First Nations, Métis, or Inuit on the application will not be required to complete a Casper assessment. And the tests are only valid for 1 admission cycle. At the U of A, we are committed to encouraging Indigenous students in their work towards a degree. Indigenous students have been underrepresented in higher education in Canada, thus our policy is aimed at increasing opportunity with the goal of our Indigenous student population being representative of the public we serve. For more information on admission of Indigenous students, please refer to the U of A calendar. And students must meet the English language proficiency and spoken English proficiency requirements for our nursing program. This is because the primary language of instruction at the U of A, with the exception of those at the Faculty St. John, is English. And here are the post-acceptance requirements. In addition to the admission requirements, a number of health and safety requirements are required for clinical practice that must be met upon the admission to Faculty of Nursing. These include attaining and maintaining required certifications, meeting recommended immunization standards, and if you do have any questions or concerns about the health and safety requirements, please contact chsplace@ualberta.ca. And in order for your application to be considered complete, your final and official transcripts must be received by the U of A along with any other required documents by the document deadline. For more information on how to submit transcripts and documents, please visit uab.ca/aftap. And for the competitive averages for both the Honors Collab program and the After Degree Honors program, a 3.5 and above is considered the competitive average. If you would like more information about the competitive averages for our program, please visit uab.ca/averages. Given our program and the clinical experience that you will gain throughout your degree, U of A nursing graduates are highly employable. By graduation, many nursing students already have a range of clinical experience in a variety of settings, allowing for significant connections and networking opportunities. While many go into medical fields for nursing, there are several other fields that nurses can go into, such as management, public health policy, nursing education, and research. For our Registration 101, how to register in your U of A courses, first, you need to accept your offer and pay your tuition deposit. Then you will find your enrollment date in BearTracks. You can register for a Registration 101 workshop at uab.ca/reg101 when they do become available. Nursing also has a self-guided module that you can follow and the registration and program planning guide that you can look at as well. And then after, you can enroll in your courses. For some important dates and deadlines, applications open October 1st, 2025. Applications close March 1st, 2026. The last CASPER testing date available is May 5th, 2026. And the outstanding documents deadline for transfer students is June 15th, 2026. If you have any questions, feel free to email nursing.recruiting@ualberta.ca. If you are a current student in a nursing program, you can contact the current Faculty of Nursing. And then if you do have any questions regarding the organization of the honors program, course contents, workload, matching of students with supervisors, research, etc., please contact Dr. Hannah O'Rourke. And if you want to learn more information, please visit our uab.ca/nursing website and feel free to sign up to receive more information, event alerts, and updates by using this QR code. Thank you so much.